Hello friends, welcome to Unreal Blueprints video tutorials series. From this video tutorial onwards, for the next few video tutorials, we are going to discuss flow control nodes in Unreal Blueprints. Flow control nodes help us to get the control over flow of execution. Flow control nodes help us to get the control over flow of execution, guys. In this video, I would like to discuss sequence node in Unreal Blueprint. Sequence node is used to execute nodes in a sequence, that is in a specific order. Sequence node executes nodes in the order they appear from top to bottom. It executes then 0 pin, then 1 pin, then 2 pin and so on. For example, I want to display Hello World 1, Hello World 2, Hello World 3 in a sequence. So what I do, I go to Level Blueprint. On event begin play, I say print string. And then I say here Hello World 1. Compile, save, come to level 1, output log window and play. You see Hello World 1 is displayed. Stop. Next I copy this and paste. Connect the execution pins. I want to display Hello World 2. So I say here Hello World 2. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. You see next Hello World 2 is displayed. Stop. Copy, paste. I connect the execution pins. Here I say Hello World 3. Compile, save, come to level 1, play. Hello World 3 is displayed. I want to display Hello World 4 also. Copy, paste. Connect the execution pin. I say here Hello World 4. Compile, save, come to level 1, play. Hello World 4 is displayed. So you can see that we are putting all the nodes on a single execution line, right? We are putting all the nodes in a single execution line. Instead of that, we can distribute them on multiple execution lines, guys. Understanding? Instead of putting all nodes in one execution line, we can separate them on multiple execution lines with the help of sequence node. And it is very useful, guys. Let's say if I don't want to display Hello World 2 and if I disconnect this, compile, save, come to level 1 and play, it only displays Hello World 1. Right? Hello World 2, Hello World 3, Hello World 4 are not getting displayed because there is no connection here. But with the help of sequence node, we can decide what to display, what not to display, which execution line to execute, which execution line not to execute, guys. You can see here what I do. I want to take help of the sequence node. I connect this pin over here. Next I disconnect these pins and I place them one below another. You can see I am putting them linearly one below another, right? Then 0 I connect here, then 1 I connect this, add 2 pins, then 2 I connect here, then 3 I connect here, and then I arrange like this. Now what happens on event begin play? Then 0 is executed first. We get Hello World 1, then 1 Hello World 2, then 2 Hello World 3, then 3 Hello World 4 are going to get display in a sequence. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. You can see Hello World 1, Hello World 2, Hello World 3, Hello World 4 are displayed. Now if I don't want to display Hello World 2, I can simply disconnect this. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. You see Hello World 1, Hello World 3, Hello World 4 are displayed. Hello World 2 is not displayed, right? Now we have the control on the flow of execution. Are you understanding? We can decide here, right, which node to execute, which node not to execute, and the nodes are getting executed in a sequence as they appear from top to bottom, right? That is the sequence node, guys. Now we are going to understand how the sequence node is used in a game, right? We are going to implement the coin collection logic. So I right click here, create a new folder called as blueprints. In the blueprints folder, I am going to create a blueprint class of type actor. I call this BP underscore coin, which player is going to collect. I double click to open it. I am going to add here a cylinder. I select the cylinder and I am going to rotate it around x-axis by 90 degrees. And then I scale it down so that it should look like a coin. I am going to change its material to gold material, and then I change the collision presets to overlap all dynamic. It should overlap with dynamic actors, like our player is a dynamic actor, right? Compile, save, come to level 1, and then I am going to create some instances. See, I have some instances here. Now when player overlaps with the coin, what should happen? The coin should get destroyed, right? Now I go to third person folder, open blueprints folder. In that we have BP underscore third person character. In third person character, we have capsule component which is used to handle the collision. So I go to event graph, right click, add event for capsule component, collision, add on component begin overlap. When the capsule component begins overlapping with the other actor, what should happen? So this node executes, guys. We are just going to check here whether the other actor is BP underscore coin. If it is BP underscore coin, then destroy that actor. Very simple. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. Now you see when player overlaps with the coin gets destroyed. Right? That is how you implement the logic, guys. Now before destroying, I want to spawn a emitter. I right click here and search for spawn emitter at location. Okay, spawn emitter at location. I connect the execution pin here. I connect the execution pin here. Here I select the emitter P underscore explosion. Okay, and I have to define the location where this emitter should get spawned. Explosion should spawn at BP coin instance, right? Here I say get actor location. Get actor location. I'm getting the coin location and giving here. Okay. Now what happens? Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. You see the coin gets destroyed as well as the explosion gets spawned. Right? Also I want to play the sound. Here I right click and say here play sound at location. I'm adding one more pin. Play sound at location. Here I'm going to select explosion sound and then I'm going to reduce the volume by half, 0.5. Now if I say compile, save, come to level 1 and play. Now the coin get destroyed, explosion you can see, sound you can hear, right? And also I want to increment the score. So I create one more variable called as score of type integer. Compile, initial value is set to 0. So when the coin gets destroyed, the score should increment. So score I say here plus plus, score plus plus. Also I want to display the current score, so I take help of the print string node. Print string, connect the execution pins here. I take help of the append string node so that I can display score colon text and current score. Okay, and the result I give here. Compile, save, come to level 1, go to output log window and play. You see now score also gets displayed. Score 1, score 2, score 3, score 4. If you carefully observe here, let's say I don't want to play the sound. Okay, I don't want to play the sound. Then if I disconnect this execution wire, compile, save, come to level 1 and play, what happens? You see that coin is not getting destroyed, score is not incrementing, only explosion you can see, right? Now I can decide, I want to decide which node should execute, which should not execute, and the node should get executed in a sequence. That is of course we take help of the sequence node here. Okay, now what I do, I am going to delete everything from here so that I can explain again step by step with the help of sequence node. I deleted, you can see everything is deleted. When the capsule component of the player overlaps with BP coin, what should happen? Of course it should destroy. Instead of just saying destroy actor, I take help of the sequence node. I take the sequence node here. Okay, you can see, and then I say destroy actor. Okay, I connect this to then 0. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. Now you see the coin is going to get destroyed. The coins are getting destroyed. That is good. Before destroying, as I told, I want to spawn explosion emitter. So I simply say here spawn emitter at location. Spawn emitter at location. Here I select the emitter P underscore explosion, and location I am going to say here get actor location. I am getting the coin location and I give it to here. Okay, now after that it should destroy the actor. So I connect this then 1 here. First explosion, then destroy. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. Now you see explosion and destroy, explosion, destroy. Also I want to play the sound. So what I have to do, I am going to disconnect this and here I say play sound at location. Here I select the sound explosion 1. Okay, and also I am going to change the volume to 0.5. I reduce the size here. Good. After that it should destroy the coin. So I add one more pin here, then 2 I connect here. You can see that we are distributing the nodes on different execution lines with the help of sequence node, and it executes in a sequence. First spawns the emitter, plays the sound, and then destroys the coin. Very simple. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. Check out. You see, explosion, sound, coin also getting destroyed. Now let's increment the score. So I get the score and I say here plus plus, increment the score, as well as it should display the score. So I right click here and say print string. Connect the execution pins and I take help of the append string node. Here we give the current score and we display score colon text, return value we connect here. Now what I do, I'm going to add one more pin here, then 3 I connect to score plus plus. You can see now, compile, save, come to level 1 and play. You will see coin getting destroyed, score displayed, score 1, score 2, score 3, score 4, right? That is fine. What is the advantage you can see? Of course, we are able to distribute the nodes on a separate execution line, and the nodes are going to get execute in a sequence. If I do not want to play the sound, I can simply disconnect this one. If I compile, save, come to level 1 and play, you see that the coin getting destroyed, explosion is happening, score is getting displayed. So that is the advantage, guys. You can see that, right? I go back, I can play the sound again. Just I connect this then 1 to play sound at location. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. Now I'm going to get the coins, right? That is how the sequence node is used. Of course, you can definitely add multiple sequence nodes if required. You can definitely add multiple sequence nodes, guys, right? You can definitely add multiple sequence node if required. So that's it for this video tutorial, guys. I hope you guys have clearly understood how the sequence node is used in a game. Okay, and it is a very useful node. I suggest you people to try this yourself. Okay, in the upcoming video tutorials we discuss more about Unreal Blueprints. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep designing, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.